Let's convert 470 millimeters of mercury to ATM, atmospheres. So to do that, we need to have a conversion factor. This is our conversion factor up here. 1 atmosphere, that equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So if we multiply our 470 millimeters of mercury times our conversion factor, we can get ATM. So we want to have millimeters of mercury here on the bottom so it cancels out. So let's put 760 millimeters of mercury here on the bottom and then 1 ATM on the top. We want to end up with atmospheres as our unit. So we multiply millimeters of mercury on the top and bottom. They cancel out. So it's 470 divided by 760. We get 0.6184. Let's just call it 0.618. And the units, atmospheres, those are the only units that are left. That's how we know we did it correctly. That's it. This is Dr. B converting 470 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.